Joan and the Gramazone. In the south side of Manchester, where there are a lot of trees and a small amount of street lights, there was a pregnant lady, let's call her Joan. Joan was supposed to migrate to America, but she said she wasn't happy with life and she drank Gramazone. Before she died, she picked half of the tangerines on her granny property and said, "Bell, bell, fruit bear, saw." She died on the stone wall, and the baby in her kept jumping and jumping until the elders in the community came. They saw her, and threw some stones on her, and there she was buried.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
It was rumored that Duppy Joan usually passes a young woman's house to go so, and was regularly spotted by people at nights. The young woman didn't believe until one Christmas night, when she was on her phone outside talking to her friends because she had unlimited calls. That was when she heard a heavy weeping. It sounded like a woman weeping and moving very fast. Then the weeping stopped and a baby could be heard crying. Then a soft woman voice could be heard saying to the baby, "Hush, hush. When we reach a Mall Road, me will give you titty." The young lady lived at Mall Road and was standing on the road on her phone. She run go inside so fast and couldn't utter a word until the morning.
Check out the playlist below for more.